In this video, we'll show you how to start a new process in Iterop Play. This feature is accessible at any time. Simply click the New button to open the sliding side panel. This interface gives you access to all the processes available to you based on your user permissions. To boost efficiency, you can add specific processes to your favorites. Just click the More Options button next to the process, then select Add to Favorites. Favorite processes will automatically appear at the top of the list in a dedicated section, and of course, you can remove them from your favorites at any time using the same menu. If you have access to a large number of processes, use the search bar to quickly find the one you want to start. You can also refine the display using tags. Click the filter icon to open the list of available tags. These tags are defined when the process is designed and can't be modified by users. Now, select the process you want to launch. In the header area, you'll see the process's key information. The More Options button gives you access to a few extra features. See the process? Copy a direct link to share it with another user with the same access rights, or enable Multiple Starts mode, which keeps the interface open after submission, allowing you to launch several processes in a row. Now it's your turn. Fill in the required fields and click Submit to start your process. Thanks to these features, you can launch your processes faster, all within a clean, intuitive interface tailored to your needs.